Welcome to the presentation on factors affecting teachers from incorporating technology in the classroom. Educators continue to fail because they do not capitalize on the opportunity to incorporate technology in the teaching and learning process, despite the growing use of technological devices among students. Harold 2015 says, and I quote, "There is a mountain of evidence to indicate that teachers have been painfully slow to transform the way they teach, despite the massive influx of new technology in their classroom." End of quote. Teachers indeed embark on the traditional classroom environment, right, where they are the sole authority in the class and they disseminate information to the students and expect the students to regurgitate the information in the form of exam or tests, versus the modern classroom in which the teacher becomes the facilitator or guide to learning, and the students are the one engaged in the are deeply engaged in the learning process using the technological devices, using, like, for example, they have computers, they have calculators, and they have a smart board or a whiteboard that is being used to enhance their learning process. During this process, right, during the transition from the traditional classroom to the modern classroom, there are a number of factors that affect teachers from doing that. One of the factors are they are not properly trained to facilitate such classroom. Two, a lack of technological devices such as hardware, computers, and softwares. Three, a need for support personnel. Or four, they need someone that ideas to implement ways to implement technology in the classroom, and insufficient funding. And the last one is no incentives or motivation for them to implement the technology into the classroom. Now, upon implementing technology in the classroom, there are a number of benefits that comes along with it. One of the benefits are technology is a fun learning tool, so students will find it to be very interesting and engaging for them. Two, technology enhance students' interest by getting them engaged. Another one is increases academic resources available to both students and teachers, so it becomes a resource center in the classroom. Three, students teaches students in an environment they are familiar with. When students are familiar with a particular environment, it makes it easier for them to learn. Another one is students are learning while doing something they enjoy doing. Another is it takes students to places they would never have a chance to go otherwise. For instance, the student may never get an opportunity to go to South Africa, but just going on the internet and learning about the way of life and how people live in South Africa gives them the opportunity as if they were traveled to go to South Africa and learn about South Africa. Now, to help teachers incorporate technology in the classroom, some solutions, possible solutions that can be done or can consider to assist is, first of all, training. Training should be done uh, based on every individual institution or school, rather than having a one size fits all. So first, you should do a training need analysis. Then you design your content to suit that particular need analysis that you have discovered. You develop effective methods of delivering the training, and then you deliver the training. And after you have delivered the training, you evaluate the training and provide follow-up or support to the institution. Another solution is to provide an all-round support for the teachers. In other words, technological facilitators should be attached or appointed to every school. So they will be there to give support when needed. Another proposed solution is to furnish schools or institutions with adequate hardware and software so that they be able to have a smooth transition to implement technology in the classroom. Another solution is give students or give teachers, equip teachers with ways in which they can incorporate technology in the classroom. Here we only have displayed 11 ways to use technology in the classroom. Now, this list has not been exhausted. There are numerous ways, other ways you can also incorporate technology in the classroom. Another thing is to seek funding. It's both internal and external. Internal meaning like within the country in terms of NGOs within the countries and government sources, government funding. And in addition to that, we also can seek external funding in terms of getting like the European Union to help fund or UNESCO to help fund projects like that. And apart from the funding, we can provide opportunities for teachers to motivate teachers and to give them incentives to want to incorporate technology in the classroom. Yes, funding can be part of it, but giving teachers opportunity to share the success stories, can also act as another motivator to get them or wanting them to incorporate technology in the classroom. In conclusion, all of the information presented is supported by research and should not be taken lightly. If we as educators want to make a difference and give our students a chance to succeed in this digital world which we live in, we must embark on these and ways and means of incorporating technology in the classroom. I want to say special thanks to all those people who has assisted me and during this. So thank you very much and have a blessed day.